Today I'm checking out this electrically powered mobile lift that was sent to me so I could do the review. As you can see, comes with a manual. It comes with the lift itself. It's in the folded down position right now, so you can see it does fold down. It's something that should be able to fit in the trunk or in a van, something like that. You can take it with you. It is a little bit heavy, but it is mobile that you can take it with you. These are the pieces that it came with. It did not really need assembly. It was really all assembled in the box, but these little items here will need to be put on. Like that's the battery. This is the controller. That is a charger for the battery, things like that. It comes with some little extra safety caps for the wheels. And then you've got the sling up here. That is what would hold a person. This has really nice casters. Both of the casters on the back have the ability to lock. They lock really well. It doesn't move around, and it's really easy to lock and unlock those. The front casters do not have locks on them. The LCD here on the front gives you a readout of what actuators are moving, battery status. You have a quick turn off button here. So if you need to just cancel it, you can just push the button, turn it off. If you need to turn it on, you just twist it to turn it on. This right here is the battery pack, and to take it off, you literally just lift it up and slide it out, and it comes right off. I did also want to add that when we received this package, that the box was pretty beat up, and I was really worried when the box came in that this product was going to be damaged inside the box, but it wasn't. It was actually packaged really well, and whoever shipped this, whatever logistics process it went through, they just did not take care of the box. It was pretty beat up. But when I checked it, everything was good. Like I said, it was packed really well. There was styrofoam in there. There was bubble wrap. All right, so the unit is all put together or set up. Again, it comes assembled, fully assembled. You just have to charge the battery. You have to connect the remote to the battery along with the two actuators. There's one that controls the width of the rolling platform on the bottom, and that's what these two buttons are. And then there's another cable that controls the actuator for the upper arm, and that's what these up and down here is for. Now there's an emergency stop. That's what that red button is on the top. And there is an LCD on the front that shows you, what's going on when you're pressing these buttons and lets you go in and do some minor settings and everything there. That big battery on the back also comes off really easy. You just lift it up and it comes off. Then you can charge it by itself. You don't have to have this whole unit there to charge it. The little black twist cap that's down there, this right here, if you unscrew that, there's a little handle on each side. That's what lets you fold it down flat so you can put it like in a trunk. And then you just put the pin back in it when you fold it up and you're good to go. And the sling that's right here, along with the little crossbar, that's what you connect to it. That's where the person that you need to move around would go in. It goes underneath their body and wraps around their legs and holds them very securely inside of that so you can, again, move them around. So let me go ahead and show you some of the things that this will do. Again, if you press the wide button or this button here, it's going to widen the feet or the legs. This one collapses it. So I'm going to go ahead and widen them. If you notice, it's moving down here on the bottom and that is widening up. That gives you more stability when you're pushing someone. You don't have a small platform on the ground that is easy to tip. This makes it wider and more robust and stable when you're pushing someone, especially someone that's on the heavy side. Now, if you need to get it through a door, though, you're going to have to pull these things together so that way you can actually roll it through a smaller door. Now, if you have a huge door, you might not need to do that. But let's say you're going through our front door, our garage door, we would have to collapse this together. Then up and down, it's not super fast. It's not meant to sling you out and throw you somewhere, but it will lift someone off the floor. So let's say they fell and you don't have enough strength to get them up or you need help getting them up. You can roll them onto this sling here and then you would be able to slowly lift them up off the floor and get them suspended so then you can roll them around. Even with a lot of weight on it, those casters will let you move it, pretty easy with somebody in it. There's also different levels on that sling there where you can put different heights on it to go into the crossbar that's there. So based upon how big the person is, you can make it smaller or bigger. And this thing will go up pretty high. So you can definitely get somebody off the ground. As you can see, the top arm is going even out of the frame of the camera, but it is still going. It is still lifting that sling. Like I said, you could really get somebody off the ground pretty high. Of course, you don't want to get them too high, but let's say you're trying to get them into a bed that's pretty tall. This will let you do that. Or get them into a vehicle that's pretty high up. But you only need to lift it as far as you need to lift it. The actuator is just as smooth coming down as it was going up. And like I said, this thing is fully assembled when it arrives. You do have to put the crossbar on here, but it just snaps into that little hanger that's there. Those straps right here on this sling just hook into those hooks that are on top of that bar and keeps them in there real nice and safely. It also shows you the charge. It shows, let's see, 2 out of 3 bars, but when I look at the LCD on the front, it says 90%. So this is probably going to go down a little bit just after it, gets under 100, but it does have 3 little LED lights here to let you know what state the battery's in. And that's it. It's got a really long cord, as you can see here. I'm able to pull it. It has an extension on that one, and it also has a hanger in the back there where you can just hang this clip. You can also hang it on the foam arms. It's a big enough clip to hang pretty much anywhere on there. But yeah, all in all, really nice. My wife's grandmother is pretty old now, and she has lost most of her mobility. She's in a wheelchair. She cannot even really sit up on her own. So, we got this device here. We could bring it around different places, but we got this in case someone can't lift her. As you can see, that thing moves 365 degrees really easy. So you can turn it around, let them sit on the couch. You can get them into a bed. You can put them in a wheelchair, bring them to the restroom, whatever it is you need to do. This is really going to help somebody that just doesn't have all the strength they need to be able to move. I hung the remote right here on the back. It's got a little clip, and that's it. It's out of the way. You can fold it down, do all of that to it, but just like this, it doesn't take up that big of a footprint. You can just slide this to the side of the hall or in another room, and when you need it, it's there. So yeah, I really like it. This is going to be very helpful to get your loved one moved around. The sling can be done. You lay it on the ground or lay it wherever on the bed, and they can just roll into this sling. You can easily lift them up with it, but it's just an extra helping hands for anyone to be able to move somebody around that just doesn't have the strength to do it. So yeah, I really like it. I think you will too, and I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.